I don't know about you, but editing PDF used to be very stressful to me. So I'm going to be showing you guys today how I edit my PDF, ask AI questions about it, and add watermarks to my PDF in just one app called UPDF. So let's dive into that. So guys, this is the screen of my MacBook right here. Just so you know, you can download UPDF for your Android and also for your iPhone as well. The link is in the description. So you're going to click on the UPDF. This is the application right there. I'm going to click on that and you can see I'm already editing a document. So if you want to upload a file to UPDF, you just click on the plus bar, open a new tab, and you also going to click on the open file icon right there. And you can upload any document from your MacBook into the UPDF application right here. So I'm going to be working on this document right there called the diet and nutrition. So this is the document right here. This is how your page is going to look like. So let's just look around. So that is the thumbnail, that is the bookmark, we have the comment, we have the form field, and we also have attachment. So if you want to edit a document, so you want to go into the tools bar right there and you want to click on edit. So when you click on edit, you can select any part of the document. So I'm going to be selecting this, what is nutrition right here. You can select that and you can change anything. So I'm going to be typing what is food instead of what is nutrition. So and I'm also going to put in the question mark right there. There you go. Very simple like that. You can as well change the font, you can change the color, you can make it bold, you can highlight the text, just like what I'm doing right here. I'm changing the size of the text and I can also change the font as well. You can make it bold, you can make it in italics, you know, everything you can do in Microsoft Word, you can also do it on UPDF as well. So that is basically most of the things about editing the document. That's just all what you need to know about editing documents. So the second thing I also like about the UPDF application is the AI. You can also ask AI questions about your document. So the AI is right there at the top right corner. So when you click on that, a long box drops down and you can ask anything about this document. You can ask AI to summarize the document. You can ask AI questions about some part of the PDF that you do not understand. And AI would help you, tell you everything you need to know. So I'm going to be telling AI to summarize the document in, short sentence. So I'm just going to be telling it to summarize the whole PDF right here in short sentence. So I'm just going to type in the prompt and I'm going to hit send. So it's just going to load and it is going to summarize the document. So just so you know, this document is 17 pages and AI is going to summarize it for me in short sentence. So instead of me going through the whole 17 pages document, AI is going to summarize it for me in just short sentence and I can just read it and I get a whole summary of what the document is all about. So that also helps if you're a college student. It helps a lot for you to know that, let's say your professor gives you a deadline, so you can easily get it done with this PDF application, which is really helpful. So AI is done summarizing the whole document. As you can see right there, it summarized it for me in just short sentence. This is not even up to 2 pages, like very easy. So right there you can see everything about the PDF just in short sentences, and this really helps a lot, trust me. So guys, the last feature that caught my eye from UPDF is the watermark feature. So you want to go to the tool and you want to click on the watermark right there. So yeah, let's click on the watermark. So now this is not my document, but let's say this is my document and I want to add a watermark. So you click on add watermark and you click on anyone you want, and you can also change the text there to your preferred text. So let's say I'm going to put Sam Docs. So this is the watermark right here, and I can also reduce the intensity. So I'm going to be reducing the intensity as well, so it doesn't look too obvious, because the first one was kind of obvious. So there you go. So you've attached the watermark right now and no one will be able to steal your document or use your document. You can change the text. You can also change the format you would like to add as well, making it, the preferred format you would love to. So let's also go through what else UPDF can also do as well. So you want to go to the tools bar right there. You want to click on that. So you can use it to insert documents. You can extract, you can replace, you can rotate, you can compress, compare. You can also change background. You can also change the background of the document as well. You saw everything we did with the UPDF. Very smooth, very nice, and very helpful. We had our document edited. We asked AI questions about the document. It has a built-in AI in the application itself. And lastly, we added watermark for the protection of our document as well. So UPDF has a lot more than that. It can do a lot more. You can use it to convert PDF, you can use it to organize your page, you can use it for form filing, and also perform digital signatures as well. Just so you know, there's a Black Friday discount going on. Check the link in the description box. You can use the link to get the discount, and also you can use the link in the description box to download UPDF for your Mac and also for your Android device. And if you use an iPhone, you go into the App Store, type in UPDF, and you can get that downloaded on your iPhone as well. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all these features. It is literally an all-in-one workspace for you. So if you're someone that is into PDF, school, business, office docs and all those things, you definitely need UPDF. So if you stayed to the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.